For writing today, you're going to need 3 papers. They look like this. One is the opinion writing, one looks like my favorite candy, and one is, of course, your paper that you're going to do your final copy on. We are going to fill these out today together, and then you will be doing your final copy on your own. Remember, things about your final copy, you need a title and it needs to be capitalized because titles are always capitalized, only the first letter. This area is for you to draw a picture. We do this every time in class, so make sure you draw a picture and you color it. Then you write your paragraph. Remember, 2 fingers indented. Okay, you got this. So we're going to start by using this paper, and I'm going to do this one with you. So I'm going to do the difference between sour candy and cotton candy. Both of them I love, but one of them I like more. So I'm going to try to persuade you to also like the one that I like. So I'm going to give you the reasons why my favorite is what it is. So you're going to have to find out. So go grab all 3 of these papers and a pencil, and when you're ready, go ahead and push play so we can work on this together. Okay, so this is going to be similar to our flow chart. This is how we are going to get our ideas on our opinion writing, so make sure we put our name on our papers. Okay, and so the topic of this is going to be what this is about. So I'm going to put cotton candy versus sour candy. Okay, and the purpose, why are we writing this? We're writing this to show cotton candy is better. Okay, what is your purpose? My purpose is to show you in this, cotton candy is better. We're going to actually not end it there. Better than sour candy. Now, you might not agree with me, and we'll put a period there. But for this instance, this is what we're going to write. Okay? State your opinion clearly. My favorite candy is cotton candy. Okay, and it's here we need to put 3 reasons why we like cotton candy better than any candy. Look at this delicious fluff ball of sugary sweetness that melts into your mouth, and it is the best thing ever. And here you have sour gummies that make your mouth water and it gets stuck in your teeth, and it's just not so sweet. So when we do reason 1, reason 2, and reason 3, we can use phrases like because, therefore, since, for example, and for instance. Those help us create our sentences. So for reason number 1, I like cotton candy better because, what is wrong with me? Because, and then we're going to come up with our first example. So why do I like cotton candy better than sour candy? Because it is very sweet. Okay, cotton candy is pure sugar, and it is very, very sweet. Reason 2. Cotton candy is very fluffy. therefore, or we can use for instance. We're going to put therefore it melts in your mouth. Okay, and my last reason is I'm going to use the word since. Since cotton candy is like a cloud, comma, it doesn't get stuck in your teeth. There you go. So those are my reasons why I like cotton candy. I prefer a sweet treat. It melts in your mouth and it doesn't get stuck all in your teeth. And now we're going to do our concluding statement. And it's going to be, oops, that is why my favorite candy is cotton candy. Okay, and so what we're going to do is we're going to take all of this information that we wrote, and I gave you a little freebie just this week because we have a sloppy copy that's already kind of done for us, so you get the idea. A lot of it is written out already, so we're going to take the information from this page and add it to this page. And by the way, cotton candy really is one of my favorite candies. I do love gummy candy, but not sour, really. And I do love cotton candy, and I get it every time I go to a fair or to Disneyland. And everyone's like, oh, you're such a kid. Miss Tyndall, don't forget to put your name. Okay, my favorite candy, so we're going to refer back to my favorite candy is cotton candy. Here are our sentences. This is 1, 2, 3. So this was our topic sentence. This is sentence 1, 2, 3. Okay, so my favorite candy is cotton candy. My favorite candy is cotton candy. And these are the 3 reasons. So it says, I like it because it is very sweet. Also, so now we're going to go back to question number 2. Also, it is very fluffy, comma, therefore, it melts in your mouth. Okay, so now we're going to go to sentence 3. It is better than sour candy because it is like a cloud and it, oops, I need to connect that, does not get stuck in, I'm going to put my teeth. I put your here, but I changed it because it sounds better because I'm talking about me and I use the word I. Okay? Then our ending sentence, that is why my favorite candy is cotton candy. That is why my favorite candy is cotton candy. Okay? You can draw a picture. I think it's on a post and fluffy. Does that look like cotton candy? I'll label it so you guys know. And I always go for the pink kind. Always. I don't know why. The blue also tastes great, but I always go for the pink. Then you're going to take this and you are going to rewrite it. The title, My Favorite Candy. Okay? It's giving you, you're just rewriting from here and writing it on here. My favorite candy. Then you are going to rewrite your final copy. Don't forget, 2-finger indent. A lot of you forgot this. When you are finished, you are going to draw a picture and color it up at the top. Very important, okay? Then you are going to put all 3 things together, and then you're going to put it back in your folder. Okay, if you have any questions on this, let me know, okay? Okay, just a quick note. As I was proofreading my paper, I found an error. This is why it's important for you to go over it again. It says, my favorite candy is cotton candy. I'm missing a period, so I'm going to go ahead and add it. I like it because it is very sweet. Also, it is very fluffy. Therefore, it melts in your mouth. But who am I talking about? So what you can do is if you make a mistake, go over it. Everyone makes a mistake when they write. It's better if you read it back to yourself and read it out loud. Even adults have to go back. See, I wrote this, and you know what? I'm changing that. It is better than sour candy because it is like a cloud and it does not get stuck in my teeth. So now we have both I have my stop sign there. We have checking our stop signs, and I need to add a stop sign there. Now I am ready to write my final copy.